Welcome guys, today is December the 11th. Tomorrow we'll be putting up our Christmas tree, I'll be putting up some decorations and it will just be a good laugh. Today we're going to be opening up some more Vivid Voltage in the form of 2 Orbeetle V Boxes. But first, of course, we need to open up the calendar. Yesterday we got the present that goes under the Christmas tree. Today, hopefully, we will get another little figurine to join all the others that we've pulled so far. So, let's get into it. Here we go, door number 11. And in behind, we have a Ditto. Creepy little blob of goo, isn't he? And there we go, our little Ditto to go with all the rest of the gang up the top. He's always been a bit of a strange Pokemon, that Ditto. One thing that is coming, apparently, is a Ditto VMAX and Shiny Ditto Pokemon cards in the new Shining Fates set. So that'll be interesting and extremely exciting when that does finally drop. We've got Pokemon cards to open, so let's get into these 2 Orbeetle V Boxes. So as you would have already seen in one of the other videos I've done opening the Orbeetle V Boxes, you know that we get the promo cards, which are these, and the giant counterparts that go with. So I don't need to spend too much time showing you those, because you already know what they look like. Here are all the packs of cards. In there we've got Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, and Burning Shadows. So let's get into it, and hope that we pull, maybe, that Rainbow Rare Pikachu that we're still searching for. Lightning Energy, Electric, Delmise, Galarian Stunfisk, Chatot, Clobbopus, Skiddo, Shuppet, Ferroseed, Reverse Kakuna, and Colossal VMAX. What a way to absolutely start off this opening with that absolute Goliath bad boy. Epic win right there. Good way to start, very, very strong start with that Colossal VMAX. Not the first one I've pulled, and definitely won't be the last. Metal Energy, SEIGE, Billowing Smoke, Turbo Patch, Barn Sweet, Snubble, Meltan, Bunnelby, Paris, Dunsparce is the reverse, and a Golurk non-holographic. On to that Chunky Chew pack himself. Water Energy, Hero's Medal, Galarian Stunfisk, Sableye, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, Milcery, Skiddo, Mudbray is the reverse, and a Xerneas holographic. Burning Shadows. Still after that shiny Charizard. I've opened up a lot of Burning Shadows on this channel now, and still not pulled anything worth screaming and shouting about. Scoffleys, building dumbbells, yeah. Simipour, Magikarp, Pansear, oh hey, drop the cards, Cutiefly, Panpour, Pikachu, very cool artwork on that one, Wishful Baton, and a Shinotic non-holographic. Back onto another Vivid Voltage. Vivid Voltage pack's been very kind to us. Will it continue? Zebstrika, Dusclops, Cottonee, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismur, Execute, Riolu, and a Talonflame V. Very cool. Back onto Burning Shadows. Simisear, Mount Lacana, Noctowl, Pansear, drop the cards, Cutiefly, Panfor, Pikachu. Seems to be the same cards in this Burning Shadows pack as it was the last one. Kurogunk, Dusclops is the reverse, and a Crabominable, non-holographic. Vivid Voltage. And then we're on to the last pack, which will be that Charizard not Burning Shadows, Darkness Ablaze pack. Fighting Energy, Girafarig, Alistair, Cramorant, Tailo, Sandile, Oshawott, Pineco, Clefairy, Electric is the reverse, and Metagross, non-holographic. Okay, on to the last pack. Darkness Ablaze. Are we going to get some last pack magic today, or is this a bust? Water Energy, Glimwood Tangle, Lairon, Simipour, Carablast, Meltan, Marini, Purloin, Starly, Liepard is our reverse, and a Talonflame non-holographic. There we go, guys. That is 2 Orbeetle V Boxes done for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I do really appreciate it. If you're new or just finding the channel, please do hit that subscribe button down below. It really does go to help the channel. Don't forget, guys, to hit that like button. Hit the bell notification if you haven't done that yet as well, because then you get notified when I put up new videos. Drop a comment as well if you want to. I do get back to everyone. That is the POKEMANDAN promise. Special thanks go out to my sponsors, especially Temporal Sci-Fi, specialists in single Pokemon cards. If there's a specific Pokemon card you need, find their link down in the description below and send them a message. If they've got the card, they'll get back to you, let you know how much it is and how much it's going to cost to get it posted out to you. There's other links down there for my other sponsors as well, along with my socials. Make sure you follow me on my socials for all the latest updates. Until tomorrow, guys, where we put up our Christmas tree, because it is December the 12th tomorrow. Stay well. Stay safe.